Hello guys, in this video I'd like to share with you how to completely uninstall Apache NetBeans IDE from Windows operating system. I suppose that you have an installation of NetBeans IDE on your Windows computer and it was installed using a NetBeans installer program. So the first step is to run the NetBeans uninstaller program, and then you need to delete the cache directory, delete the NetBeans settings directory, and delete other directories with names starting from .nb. This is Apache NetBeans IDE on my computer, and you can see I'm using the NetBeans version 12.1, and in this about dialog you can see the user directory here and cache directory here. So after uninstalling a NetBeans IDE using the uninstaller program, you need to manually delete these two directories: user directory that stores the settings and cache directory that stores the temporary files. Close. Exit this NetBeans IDE. So open the Start menu, go to Control Panel here, and open the Programs and Features here, and you can see the uninstaller program for Apache NetBeans IDE version 12.1 here, and click uninstall. Note that you must have a JDK Java Development Kit still installed on the computer to run the Apache NetBeans IDE, and click uninstall here. The uninstaller program will remove the installed files in the program files directory, as well as icons on desktop and icons in the start menu. So the uninstaller completed successfully. Click finish. And then you need to open my computer and go to the user home directory, which is usually under the C drive users directory here, and the directory with the username here, and go into the app data directory. If you don't see this app data directory, you need to configure Windows Explorer here to show the hidden directories and hidden files, folder and search options here, and check this option, show hidden files, folders and drives here. Then go in the app data local, and the first NetBeans directory is this is the cache directory of NetBeans IDE, and you can see it stores last amount of data here, as you can see, depending on how you use the IDE. So delete this NetBeans directory. So shift delete to delete the directory completely. Yes. And depending on the usage of NetBeans IDE, this cache directory can have huge data or not. Okay, and the second directory is under the user home directory app data roaming here, and you can see the directory NetBeans here, and this is the user directory of NetBeans that stores the settings of the IDE. So you also need to delete this directory. Shift delete. Yes. Okay, and then go back to the user home directory and delete all the directories with names starting with .nb here. So here we have two directories, .nbi and .nb profiler, and .netbeans DB here. So delete these three directories. These directories were created during the working of NetBeans IDE. Shift delete. Okay, so that you have completely uninstalled Apache NetBeans IDE from the Windows operating system. Remember that you need to run the NetBeans uninstaller program first and then delete the cache directory, settings directory, and .nb directories. I hope you will find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.